Hello, everyone, and happy Friday. I just wanted to show some things on Edmentum because I keep seeing the same issue come up over and over again, and it has to do with uploading documents with answers. So I've seen this in a few classes, but especially in the career explorations class. So, one thing that I'd like to do is show you how to answer in the document, save it, and upload. So, let's take a peek here. As you're going through, you've got items that look like this: text questions, lab questions. I know photography has similar things. So, you open that up. Don't mind if my view is just a little different than yours. Or if my internet's a little slower than yours. Anyways, you get to your assignment, you've got your doc, you can either download to your computer or click on the .docx, okay, that file. You see that it's a doc file. Okay, so we've got our download complete. Now I'm opening that up. And then as you can see, it opens with this big W, okay? And that means Microsoft Word created this. Microsoft Word. It is a Word document. Now, we're going to change it from a Word doc to a Google Doc. And I can do that by going File, Save as Docs. This makes sense because working on Google Docs on your Google-based Chromebook makes life way easier, especially when you're trying to edit and create different things in here. So now I've got my questions. Read through. I should have already checked out the tutorials, and now it's time to answer. So, and I've seen some kids do this where they change the color of the font, and that's cool. I like that. Maybe even you made it bold. So I'm just going to change it. We'll go with, I don't know, purple. So you will type your answers in here. Okay, type your answers in this space. Great, fantastic. And you got to make sure that you go through each question and answer. So, and then this is just something that you would take just 2 extra seconds on to make sure that you're, keep your colors going on here. One problem that I've seen is you guys are just answering maybe the top 5 questions, like review questions, and then forgetting the critical thinking questions. Make sure that you answer all of these questions. Again, answer all questions. Otherwise, I end up turning it back to you. Okay, so once you've provided an answer for all of these, we're going to go back, click File, and now we have to download this. You can download it a couple different ways. I'll show you that right now. So one way is to do it as a PDF. The other way is to do it as a doc. I'll show you PDF first. Okay, so we just downloaded it as a PDF. It's going to pop up here. Your answers are in there. It looks just like this. With a PDF, you can't go in and try to edit anything. I also cannot edit anything in a document that is a PDF. So that's how that works. Or I do File, Download, and turn it into this Microsoft Word doc, this docx. And this is just the other option here, other way of doing this. Okay, now it's back to the W. Again, you could answer in here, and that's fine, whatever. Make sure you're paying attention to the name that it has, because that's what you'll be uploading. All right, now back to the text question part here, into the Dropbox. Now, I don't have a Dropbox because I have the teacher view, you have the student view. You can actually upload your stuff, but make sure that you are uploading something that has answers on it, whether it's this new docx or this PDF that you saved. Okay, so if you went through this super fast one time, you open up the assignment, download the document. That's what it would look like. There's the questions. Okay, I'm going to file, save as a Google Doc. Okay, now it's a Google Doc. I answer all my stuff in there. This saves to your Google account. You can access this at any point, anytime, as long as you have internet. Then file, download, and you can do it as a PDF or a docx. And that's how you get your PDF. That's how you get your docx. Once you've downloaded it, upload here, and that's it. That's all. Okay, please make sure you're doing this stuff, because I've sent back too many documents to kids that never answered anything in there, or they uploaded the wrong thing. If you have any more questions, please find me on the Zoom, contact me in Google Classroom, send an email, all that. I am available. Hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you some other time.